Guys, housemates, relax the body, please. Kambabuzeko before I start speaking. Hi guys, welcome to the jam session every Tuesday at the Uganda National Musicians Federation. Every time I come to this stage, there's always an artist I'm always listening out for. This woman she's a child. I think, how old are you? I'm 15. She's 15, guys. I did my first show, and my friends just threw me under the bus. And that's the song I sang. And she has sung it better than I sang it. Guys, please show some love to Faith. Praise, praise, praise. All of it is good. Yeah. So I'd ask Praise to do one more. Who is in charge of the stage today, guys? Am I allowed to do something with her? Okay. You know what voice she has? Do you appreciate? Wow, you're amazing. You're blessed by God. I cover you with the precious blood of Jesus. Can we do something together? You're like a child. You're like a baby right now. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I have a feeling
Shaking your shoulder. You know, I enjoy you, you know, Let me tell you, please sing, don't stop. Genda ogabe bazaddebo oli muyimbi, oyiga okuba engoma eno keyboard, oyiga okuba gitena, oyiga okuba buli kintu, beera musician, muziki. You are too good. Your voice, you don't need to be a performer. You are beautiful, you have a beautiful smile, you have a beautiful eyes, you have a beautiful everything. You just need to sing and be appreciated. God bless you. May the Almighty see you through. I will always be there to support you. Congratulations.